In the period from 2005 to 2016, our scientists developed a new type of chemical preparations for the decontamination of the systems, equipment, and solid radioactive waste of the operating and decommissioned nuclear power plants. This technology allows us, from the first application, to move away from a partial to a full deactivation without the formation of the secondary radioactive waste of all the objects and structural materials that must be decontaminated at different stages of the operation cycle. For example, the internal structures of the complex water-steam systems and communications, special sewage systems, as well as the local systems and big-sized equipment at the nuclear power plants, during or after decommissioning. Temporarily or permanently stored the fragmented metals. The returnable small-sized objects. External surfaces of the equipment and premises during the repair or decommissioning, dismantling and fragmentation. The principle of our technology is based on the achievements of supramolecular chemistry, organic molecules, and new classes of the chemical compounds with a modified kinetics of chemical reactions. The organic nature of the molecules causes the decomposition to water and components in ratios close to the atmospheric air. As a consequence, the secondary radioactive waste is not generated, and no additional chemicals are required to neutralize them. This allows to deactivate not only the equipment that is decommissioned and the radioactive waste, but also the operating equipment without the disrupting the integrity of the metal. The following are the strategic advantages over the existing methods of decontamination. In contrast to the mechanical cleaning methods, hydromechanics and sandblasting, our technology more effectively deactivates the operational equipment of the nuclear power plants. Unlike the electrochemical method, dissolution of metal, with a limited number of cycles, our technologies decontaminate the deposits of the return equipment without destroying the metal of the equipment. Performance of the combined cleaning and decontamination with one solution can be used repeatedly after pre-saturation during the decontamination. Currently, the technology is ready and its effectiveness has been verified. The efficiency and advantages of our technologies. The possibility of the complete decontamination of the metals and reducing the cost of their storage sent for remelting. The absence of the secondary liquid radioactive waste and their neutralization, evaporation, conditioning, neutralization and storage. The possibility of the deactivation of the equipment and communications before cutting, fragmentation, and reducing the costs for the subsequent deactivation of the fragments in the baths. The possibility of using the traditional methods of decontamination, baths for small-sized equipment, equipment for the circulating pumps and large-sized equipment. There is no need to develop or build special equipment and train staff. Our company offers a cooperation and mutual realization of the complex projects for the decommissioning of the nuclear power plants, as well as a direct cooperation with the organizations of the nuclear industry.